Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. No need to stress. Just listen carefully, stay focused, and watch this video multiple times. That's all it takes to improve your English while exploring some of the most important parts of life in the United States. Today's video is about a musical genre that many people associate with cowboy hats, guitars, and small towns. But it's much deeper than that. We're talking about country music, one of the most beloved and influential music styles in the United States. So let's discover the truth about country music in the U.S. and why it holds such a special place in American hearts. Country music began in the 1920s in the rural southern states of the U.S., especially in places like Tennessee, Texas, and Georgia. It was inspired by folk music, gospel songs, and the storytelling traditions of people who worked on farms, in the mountains, or in small communities. Country music became a voice for ordinary people, sharing their struggles, their hopes, their families, and their faith. One of the most iconic centers of country music is Nashville, Tennessee, known as Music City. Nashville is home to the Grand Ole Opry, a legendary radio show and concert stage that helped launch the careers of many famous country stars. From early legends like Hank Williams and Patsy Cline, to modern icons like Garth Brooks, Dolly Parton, and Carrie Underwood, country music has grown from a local sound into a global phenomenon. But here's the truth. Country music is not just one sound. Over the decades, it has evolved and blended with other genres like pop, rock, and even rap. Today, you'll find country songs that sound traditional with banjos and fiddles, and others that are full of drums, electric guitars, and modern lyrics. Artists like Taylor Swift started in country before crossing into pop music, proving how flexible and powerful the genre can be. What really makes country music special is the storytelling. The lyrics often focus on real life, love, heartbreak, work, family, and the beauty of simple things. Many songs tell emotional stories that listeners can connect with, no matter where they live or what language they speak. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning the truth about country music in the United States, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That's your moment to practice everything you've learned and grow your English skills even more. Please give this video a like and share with your friends to help us keep growing and creating more amazing videos just for you. See you in the next adventure.